Students Association Longnit Head Branch organized a cleanliness program along Langsokangtu River on 17 July. Heavy storm has uprooted several trees and dismantled several houses at Deopani on Sunday. An unidentified body of a person discovered at Balijan Barla Bosti on Sunday. West Karbi Anglong Market Distributor Committee formed at Dongkamukam on Sunday. Good morning to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. Under the initiative of Karbi Student Association Longnit Head Branch, a cleanliness program was arranged on 17 July. As Karbi Anglong is also badly affected with the prevailing heat waves across the nation, the citizens of Karbi Anglong love spending quality time with their family, friends and their loved ones along the riversides to tackle this scorching heat. One such most lovable riverside picnic spot in Karbi Anglong is Langsokangtu Riverside Picnic Spot, located just few kilometers away from Longnit Market. But due to excessive number of visitors and least maintenance from the management, the perimeter of river could be seen contaminated with plastics, wrappers, water bottles, broken beer bottles, cans, etc., endangering the life of aquatic species, the lives of the neighboring villagers, as well as the visitors. Karbi Students Association Longnit Head Branch, considering the fact, took into their account and initiated the cleanliness drive along the riverside of Langsokangtu picnic spot on Sunday. Karbi Students Association Longnit Head Branch appeals to visitors as well as the citizens of Karbi Anglong to not litter the river banks, as they had witnessed many visitors who smashed beer glass bottles for their amusement right after consuming it. Such activities should be avoided.
Pen Halloween kapre along pen kevangatum bong sisa la hor na kijun na son si dool la dak lang na chinglu pen la si pinaan bong sisa kang hang na son dool lang roy long stami wartu son sa teglong la pen litum dak ibok teraya rong rada tum sung ipiglo themane komania somartum sisa sakak komania atum lang chinglu mala tong ak la son dool la si Suni rilo ke bang langar ni nalitum pini pen bangke la bong ke ban pe la dak horna ki jun la hai bangke ing to nang po la dak alom ke pang thira bang ven nalitum wang po la dak bong si sapang hang po lang rolong war kan chu ti la dak bangke nilitum te bok tera rong aratum kasik sak tepiglo.
They also appealed the visitors to leave the site by 5 p.m., failing which Karbi Students Association Longnit Head Branch would be compelled to take necessary action against it.
Dong si la dak patoy ti plutin nitum case Longnit Head Branch pestami sudah kang sa pipo ani kang sam nalitum lang le na chinglu choji la or hai van be pusami nalitum wang kami lang chingluri kun litum na pun edet ta hai mine stami nalitum ani kang sam baji popen ar par dak do de na ko baji popena akeli jon sila do ko la dak do ko plutin litum ahin pen insa kon depo.
News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Amidst the ongoing heat waves across the nation, Karbi Anglong had also witnessed the scorching heat hitting the mark of 40 degrees Celsius. In an unfortunate circumstances, unpredicted storm was erupted at Deopani constituency on 17 July around 3:30 a.m. early morning. It had uprooted several trees and destroyed several residential houses. National Highway 39, falling under the jurisdiction of Borpothar Police Station, Deopani, was blocked for 7 hours after a storm hit the constituency on 17 July around 3:30 a.m. early in the morning. The storm had created havoc, uprooting several trees across the highway and dismantling several residential houses. Here is the visual. Akashi Sahani, one of the victims of miserable storm, had lost his home. Likewise, many people are left devastated as their houses are dismantled due to storm. So far, no death or casualties from the residents had been reported. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. An unidentified dead body was discovered at Balijan Barla Bosti on Sunday. A shocking incident was surfaced from Lahorijan, falling under the jurisdiction of Khotkhoti police station on 17 July when a dead body of an unidentified individual was discovered at Balijan Barla Bosti. Police informed that the deceased was a fully grown young-looking man, but due to unavailability of any documents found with the body to support his identity, hence it remained unidentified. This mysterious incident was undertaken by Khotkhoti Police under registered section case number 02/2022. The body was later brought to Dipu Medical College and Hospital for post-mortem report. Police also suggested the people of local areas to kindly report and inquire at the Khotkhoti police station if there is any case of individuals that have gone missing or haven't returned home within the last few days. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. New committee of West Karbi Anglong Market Distributor Committee was constituted on 17 July at Irrigation IB, Dongkamukam. The committee was set up with a vision to upgrade the market system and produce the actual market value among the producers and consumers of West Karbi Anglong. Several dynamic youths from across the district enrolled their names in the committee. After a prolonged discussion, it was unanimously approved that Bor Imbe to be the president, Probin Timung to be the general secretary of the committee, and Michael Kramsa to be the advisor of West Karbi Anglong Market Distributor Committee. Probin Timung, General Secretary of West Karbi Anglong Market Distributor Committee, while speaking to us, briefed about the objectives and also the resolutions adopted by them in the meeting. Here is a visual.
Nonitum West Karbi Anglong, the Ongdung Beharapan si Hormutame Van Podak and distribute for. As far that consumer also price man si latum kenam ning mata ador mukata abisidati. Dapen council of ansi revenue bang leneng mah leader di lo tamarak alasan na betum pinang mah jadi ati non bang nitum jihok lo alang long alasan do asi ni tum tame for pidu no sono dang ifan ni sen pen na pen ako dag tum rap tum tame ador kom namna hormu bang long ko agam ko buti bene teng lo lang bene teng lo alu bene teng lo yo hai hormu
area bang kana tum non lo
area ke ada ka mention teng asparla dokumen mo mention teng ko te dongkam kam waselang so Kiruni, Dengha, Jerigendeng, Hamren, Tungpreng, etc.
Bor Imbe, President of West Karbi Anglong Market Distributor Committee, spoke to us about the necessity for the establishment of the committee at West Karbi Anglong. The committee aims to check and balance the imports and export of supplies in West Karbi Anglong.
Council in a license of independence hormu in a land punon uti punon bahai kewan so council long low independence la tum kewan ra 30% tum so ku tax sing bai kono
ale adum bini tong la bang so committee ke seng kon lang ma
bini se seng kon la
committee man than exim
ya
committee man than exim
West Karbi Anglong market distributor committee
ma so long mai pu mai ko
la teni lima la
mang di man than exim
boring bay
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.